or the AC. We've been running the AC since, I don't know, February around here. But yeah, a lot of that heat, though, stirring up some thunderstorms this afternoon.
It is, yeah. Really increased the instability, Casey, and that's going to continue to be the case, unfortunately, most of the next several days. So here's what we have going on outside right now. You can see those towering cumulus tops there. And folks, that's the first time that, or first sign, I should say, that we do have some convection outside, which we do. And I'll show you radar here in just a second. But moving from Longview to Tyler, of course, this is in downtown Tyler, thanks to Tyler Neurosurgical and Associates, looking off to the southeast there. Do have a storm around Chapel Hill, which I'll show you here in just a second. But Houston County getting the bulk of the activity just to the northwest of Grapeland there. Some pretty heavy rain falling, perhaps some pea-sized hail near the Houston County Lake. And then as we move further up to the north, showers and thunderstorms falling in northern Smith County near Mount Sylvan, Midway in Van Zant County, and then near the Sand Flat vicinity there to the north of the interstate and to the east of Lindale. Now, further off to the south, this is a pretty strong storm there. That is to the southwest of Lufkin, perhaps some pocket change sized hail falling there from, it looks like Burke, and then points off to the south and to the west near the Prairie Grove vicinity. But as we look at Futurecast, I think these storms are only going to last until the sun sets. And then after the sun sets tonight, we lose that instability that we have in the atmosphere. Therefore, we're going to lose the storm. Showers and thunderstorms there in deep East Texas through 9, but then we clear up. Mostly cloudy skies continue throughout the course of the evening, but early tomorrow morning, if you're waking up around 7 or 8 o'clock, I am not concerned about the rain affecting those outside plans. And then as we head into Wednesday afternoon, there we go again. That heat, as Casey mentioned, increasing the amount of showers and thunderstorms we have in the area, and we could have some spot-up showers and storms tomorrow afternoon as well. So this continues to be the case through 4 o'clock, but kind of like what's going to happen today, these storms will be moving out by the late evening. That being said, it has had an effect, especially areas that have seen the showers and thunderstorms. I mean, look at Tyler, 77 degrees. We haven't seen a drop of rain in Longview yet. We're at 87 there. That's a 10-degree temperature difference thanks to that rain-cooled air. But look at deep East Texas right now. Lots of rain around Lufkin, Nacogdoches, and Crockett. Everybody there in the lower 70s. But it does have an effect. It doesn't feel like a nice 71 degrees. It feels like a humid 71, where those dew points are in the upper 60s and lower 70s, so it is quite gross to be outside. 67 overnight tonight. Showers do come to an end by about 11 o'clock, and then as we look at your forecast highs for tomorrow afternoon, we will be in the upper 80s and lower 90s, and over the next 7 days, folks, it's going to be the theme. It is very much copy, paste, repeat over the next several days. Thursday, we're going to be pretty hard pressed to get any rain chances Thursday afternoon. I do think a ridge of high pressure is going to move over our area, which should squash the rain chances that we have. But decent rain chances do happen this weekend. Look at that. 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms both Saturday and Sunday. And for deep East Texas, Lufkin, Nacogdoches, and Crockett, similar situation tomorrow evening. Probably a little less rain. And then Thursday we're dry. And then a few scattered showers and thunderstorms this weekend into early next week. Casey.
All right.